Hi, my name is Wayne Roberts. If you like this video, please click the like button below and click to subscribe and click notifications to be notified of any future videos I create. Let me ask you, are you interested in creating a business where you don't need a website or have to spend tons of money to get started? A business you can run from home? A business that you can work at your own pace? In this business, you get a 30-session course filled with information, but don't think you have to hurry through it. You can take your time and work at your own pace. A big group of people doing the same thing that is here to support you. Me being one of them. You can start this business for only $7 per month. I started about a month ago and am learning more and more each day. There's truly no limit to how successful you can be. You may be like me and already own a business, but it was affected by COVID-19. Well, this business is not affected by it. The things you can learn from this business can also help you in your current business or any other business you may start later. To see it for yourself, go to the link on this page or click on the link in the comments below.